Welcome to Wall Street Survivor. The secret to making money on the stock market is knowing how to research and compare companies. We'll show you how. Let's dive in. The market summary page is your daily starting point for a quick market weather report. The Market Movers page is a snapshot of the stocks making the biggest waves. From this one page, you can access lists like the most heavily traded stocks and ETFs, the stocks with the biggest price and percentage swings, companies hitting new one-year highs or lows, and more. From the top-performing ETFs page, you can spot high-growth opportunities beyond just single stocks. Finally, from the currencies page, follow the US dollar versus major global currencies. Not sure where to start? Go to the Trading Ideas page. This page gives you a rotating list of stocks. If you don't see anything you like, just hit refresh for a brand new set of ideas. Want a curated list? The Wealth Wizard finds stock ideas that fit your strategy and risk tolerance. Use the Explore by Sector tool to discover top-performing stocks across different industries and build a more diversified, resilient portfolio. The page is grouped by sector. You can drill down into industry groups and specific industries. For example, under Healthcare, click Healthcare Providers and Services to find a list of sub-industries like drugstores or healthcare facilities. Click on any of these links to go to the peers comparison page. From here, you can identify market leaders using the bar graph and compare key metrics like market cap, profit margins, and PE ratios in the data table below. Use the stock screener to narrow the entire market down to a short list of stocks that fit your goals. To get started, try using these filters to find stock ideas. Use sector to narrow your search to an industry you understand or select several industries at once. Market capitalization filters companies by their total market value. Search for large caps worth billions, or adjust the slider to find small caps valued at a few hundred million. Looking for a bargain? Use the price to earnings or PE ratio filter. Click the drop-down Choose Below and type in a number like 15 or 20. This shows companies trading at a lower price compared to their profits, which value investors love as possible deals. Always compare a stock's PE ratio to its industry average. An unusually low number might be a bargain, but it can also be a red flag that the business is in trouble. To set up a passive income strategy, go to the Dividend Yield Forward filter. Set the drop-down to Above and enter a percentage, like 2 or 3%. This filters for companies that pay you a dividend just for owning a piece of the business. As you adjust these sliders, your results will update in real time. The How to Compare Stocks activity walks you through a head-to-head comparison of your chosen company against one of its top competitors. As you follow the prompts, you'll fill in key data points like current price, earnings per share, EPS, and dividends. You'll see which one is the stronger choice for your first trade based on real numbers, not just guesswork. Before you place a trade, you need to understand the company behind the ticker. Let's look at how to research a specific stock. Start with symbol lookup. Enter the name of a company to find its ticker symbol. Once you select it, you can review all the company data using the Investing Research tab on the main menu or the left-hand menu. Under Basic Research, you'll find the company profile listing key trading details like its industry classification, current stock price, and a description of the business. Under Company News, you can check for recent headlines that could impact the share price today. Use the charts and price history to visualize the price trends. You can switch between line graphs or candlesticks to see how the stock has performed over days or years. From the Analyst Ratings page, see how Wall Street is currently grading the stock. Is it a strong buy or a sell? Under Financial Information, you can audit the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Toggle between annual and quarterly views to see if the company is growing its revenue and managing its debt responsibly. When you're ready for more advanced research, use the Key Ratios page to check the company's efficiency and valuation. See how the stock has performed over the long haul compared to the rest of the market from the Share Performance page. View target prices to see where experts think the stock is headed next from the Earnings page. Finally, access official government reports and track events like dividends or stock splits from the SEC Filings and Corporate Actions pages. Build strong research habits now. It leads to way more wins than hot tips ever will. The more you use these tools, the more prepared you'll be for your real brokerage account. Thanks for watching.